So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and start using Qwen AI. So let's start by giving simple prompts. Just like you're chatting with a human being, you can simply go ahead and ask it things. Let's say, for example, I can say something like, tell me a story about Yangon, Myanmar right here. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then Qwen will give me a story, as you can see right here, regarding Myanmar. So you can see that it's actually going ahead and then generating story on Yangon right here. I can go ahead and stop it in between right here, just like this as well. Apart from that, I can also ask it general things like, let's say, for example, what is the weather like in Sydney right now? So if I were to go ahead and then ask it things right here, then it says I'm unable to provide real-time information right now. So there is some limitation. You have to enable says for that. But you can see that it says like you can check weather.com or something like this, as you can see. So I can also ask, let's say, which is the tallest building in the world. So I can go ahead and then ask it things. Don't worry about the mistakes that you do. You can see that it simply starts giving information. And that is how you can go ahead and start with giving simple prompts with Qwen AI and interact with it to get different information as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.